Ever wondered if there's a simpler way to manage your digital assets and traditional finances all in one place? What if I told you that linking your bank account to a platform like Uphold could unlock a world of seamless transactions, from buying cryptocurrencies to sending money across borders, all with the familiar comfort of your own bank? In today's fast-paced digital economy, having a versatile financial tool is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. You might be dipping your toes into the exciting world of crypto, sending funds internationally, or simply looking for a more efficient way to manage your diverse investments. Whatever your financial goals, Uphold offers a unique solution by bridging the gap between traditional banking and the innovative realm of digital assets. But to truly harness its power, the first crucial step is connecting your bank account. Without this link, you're essentially looking at a car with no fuel, all the potential, none of the movement. Many people hesitate at this step, perhaps due to concerns about security, a lack of clear instructions, or simply the perceived complexity of linking financial institutions. It's a common hurdle, but one that's surprisingly easy to overcome once you know the right steps. Imagine being able to instantly deposit funds from your bank to purchase Bitcoin, or effortlessly withdraw profits back into your checking account. That level of financial fluidity is precisely what we're aiming for today. So, how exactly do you go about linking your bank account to Uphold? The process is designed to be straightforward, secure, and user-friendly, putting you in control of your finances. Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Uphold account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to go through the quick and easy sign-up process, including identity verification, which is standard practice for financial platforms to ensure security and compliance. Once you're in, navigate to the Connect Bank Account or Linked Accounts section. This is usually found in the Settings or Funding options. Uphold primarily uses two methods for linking bank accounts: instant verification and manual verification. Instant verification is often the quickest and most convenient. This method typically involves logging into your online banking portal directly through Uphold's secure portal, powered by a third-party service like Plaid. It's a widely adopted and secure method that instantly verifies your account details and ownership. Just select your bank from the list, enter your online banking credentials, and follow the prompts. Within moments, your bank account should be linked. If instant verification isn't available for your bank, or if you prefer not to use it, manual verification is your alternative. This involves providing your bank's routing number and your account number. Uphold will then make 2 small test deposits into your bank account, usually within 1 to 3 business days. Once these deposits appear, you'll return to Uphold and enter the exact amounts of those deposits to confirm your account. This confirms that you own the account and establishes the link securely. Once your bank account is successfully linked, you'll be able to initiate transfers, fund your Uphold wallet, and withdraw funds back to your bank with ease. Remember to always double-check all details, especially when entering account numbers, to avoid any delays or issues. And rest assured, Uphold employs robust security measures, including encryption and multi-factor authentication, to protect your financial information at every step. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.